yesterday's trade, Monday the 12th of December 2022. This was the first time I was trying to implement the ICT strategy, and the first rule is that you only trade on medium or high impact news days. So NAS had none of those yesterday, so I had a look at GJ and GU, and GJ had some news coming up, so I thought I'd give that one a go. And I marked up the London Open and the lower and top ends of the Asian market. There's quite a bit, actually. It's just there. That's the top that I marked. And looked out and did some trend analysis and decided that it was an upward trend. And then was watching at the London Open and saw it break my top level here from the Asian session. So it broke out, it had some momentum and went up to here. So I put a fib in. I wasn't sure whether to put it down to this wick, but I decided that that was the 7 o'clock open for Europe. So leaving that wick out and just taking it from the start of this upward movement up to here, there was a fair value gap that appeared here, and that's when it started to pull back. So on this pullback candle, I then placed a pending order for the top of the fair value gap, and the bottom stop loss was at the previous candle low, which gave quite a comfortable stop loss. And then at the time, I believe that this was also a fair value gap as well, but it's disappeared now, it's not showing up. Originally, I think I just went for a 2R, which was about here, which would have been the daily swing as well. So I think that's where I was aiming for initially. And when I was then watching the price action play out, it did go up to this point, but I think that actually on my order, it was ever so slightly higher. So it didn't actually trigger the sell, the close of the trade at this point, but my trade indicator here, it was hit. So I was continuing to watch it, and I think at the time, so this is on the 15-minute, so I was actually watching this on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, another fair value gap appeared here. So I added a new entry, and I got very confused. It was what was going on with TradingView, because this order looked like it had disappeared, but actually what it had done is added to the original order. So I had one buy here and another buy here, but no close. So the buy then continued to play out. I put the close here to a little bit more than 2, because this fair value gap was still readily available. And I just let it play out. So that was 2 orders. One was a 4R, one was a 3R. So in total, that came up to 7R. And if you have a look at the paper trading, account history, there it is, $700, 7R. Good day.